At Vertiv, we build future-ready digital infrastructure through technology advancement with partners and deep customer collaboration. Vertiv end-to-end power and cooling reference designs, developed to support the NVIDIA GB300 NVL72 platform, are part of our strategy to anticipate increased rack power and help customers develop deployment-ready infrastructure and support AI factories at scale. Real-time simulation through the digital twin built on NVIDIA Omniverse enables engineers to dramatically reduce planning times and reduce risk during the build-out process. Another partnership with engineering software specialist Ansys allows product performance to be simulated and improved before a single component is built, cutting waste, costs, and timelines. We also bring innovation to life through deep customer collaboration. Compass Datacenters partnered with Vertiv to develop the Vertiv Cool Phase Flex. This innovative solution combines liquid and refrigerant-based air cooling technologies into a single unit. This ability to deploy either air or liquid cooling provides businesses with the confidence to meet current needs, while providing the flexibility to anticipate future requirements. In Italy, the Domyn Colosseum project, developed in collaboration with NVIDIA and Vertiv, sets a new standard for sovereign AI data centers. Vertiv is delivering prefabricated infrastructure, high-density power, and hybrid liquid air cooling. Vertiv manufacturing and factory integration reduces deployment time by 50% compared to traditional data center builds. The site will also leverage Vertiv Unify management software for real-time orchestration of power, cooling, and compute. In Norway, data center operator Polar is deploying 12 megawatts of AI-ready capacity, easily scalable to 52 megawatts. Powered entirely by hydro energy, the facility leverages Vertiv's integrated solutions and latest power and cooling technologies to support AI and high-performance computing workloads with maximum efficiency. Together with our partners and customers, Vertiv is redefining what's possible, enabling the next generation of digital infrastructure to be more powerful, more efficient, and ready for what's next.